Is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus really worth buying? Hey, what's up guys, ProEdgeTech here. Today I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and explore what this phone features in addition to my own opinion about trying it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for my new video. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, released in August this year, brought in a lot of new features including better cameras, display, and so on. Starting off with the phone size, it weighs 196 grams, having a solid chassis of Gorilla Glass 6 in both the front and the back of the phone, as well as the aluminum frame, which makes the phone even stronger, in addition to the IP68 water and dust resistance, providing better protection. Next comes in the stunning vivid and color depth of the dynamic 6.8-inch AMOLED touchscreen of the resolution 3040 by 1440 display with HDR10 Plus and the under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor scanner. The Note 10 Plus is running on this year's Android Pie 9.0 with Samsung's unique One UI interface that provides the user for a better experience featuring night mode and so much more. This phone comes packed with a 7nm Snapdragon 855 with higher processing power and smoother performance overall, but unfortunately it's only available in USA and China, but also it's available in the 7nm Exynos 9825 that has similar performance, which is available worldwide. Now coming to the cameras, where this phone stands out most and truly impressed me. It got 4 cameras in the back, including a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, a 12-megapixel main lens, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a depth vision camera. Without forgetting the front selfie camera, having 10-megapixel wide lens featuring both sizes, the normal and the wide lens. The battery life on this phone gives the user up to 7 hours of use in each full charge thanks to the 4300 mAh battery that can juice up completely in less than 80 minutes with the 25-hour power break that comes in its box. In addition to the battery, the Note gives astonishing sound quality, taking it to another level with its Dolby Atmos technology featuring active noise cancellation, as well as crisp and natural flow of sound. And now the S Pen. This year's S Pen comes with many new features, such as the new gesture-based air actions that let you do plenty of quirky things like changing the camera mode, zooming on the pictures, control playback on YouTube and Spotify, or streaming through songs and videos. At last but not least, the pricing. Well, the Note 10 Plus is available in either 256GB of storage with 12GB of RAM, which costs about $1,100, or the 512GB of storage with 12GB of RAM that costs about $1,200. By asking me about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, I would say it is in fact worth buying, and trying it in real life does pay off its high price range, as it gives you dynamic flow of performance and stability, plus the awesome cameras and the improved S Pen. But for those who had the previous model, it's not that necessary to buy a new one. You can just wait for the upcoming ones in the coming years. And thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and be sure to subscribe, write comments for any further questions.